In this video, I'm going to show you how to use iPhone T9 dialing on iOS 18. So the new iOS 18 introduces a new feature called the T9 dialing, which is similar to Android T9 dialing features. So in your Android, you can easily click on the dialing app or the call app like this, and then type the name of whoever you want to call on the screen. Unlike iPhone on iOS 17.5 or 16 or other or 11 version, you just need to come to contact and search for this name. But the new iOS 18 comes with what's called the iPhone T9 dialing. So here, I'm going to show you how to use this. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To use the T9 dialing for iPhone, all you just need to do is while on the home screen, click on the phone app. Then you may be on recent or contact or feature. Go ahead and click on keypad. Now type in the name of the person you want to call on your iPhone using the alphabet on the numbers or the keypad. So let's say I want to call voicemail. I'm just going to go ahead and type voicemail like this. Then once you type that, click on voicemail here to reveal the phone number and then the name. So you can see voicemail is set to 100 here and the voicemail. Then go ahead and click on the call button. So this is going to put the call through to this particular person on your iPhone on iOS 18. So the essence of this is you no longer need to go through your iPhone contact to search for the name of the person you want to put a call through on your iPhone. With the aid of the T9 dialing for iPhone, you just need to click on keypad and then type in the name instead of typing the number. So let's say I want to call Jasper. Just need to type in the name in order and then click on the name here. Then go ahead and put the call through. There you go. You see, iPhone will put the call through to this particular person using the new T9 dialing feature on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.